Zachary Post. Some of you may know me, and some of you may know my car. This is the Camino Customs channel, so it's all about Caminos. It's a sad day today. I want to be as genuine as I could when making this video, but behind me is my first ever El Camino I've ever owned. It's a 1981 El Camino. It's gone through many phases through its life, and sadly it's gone through my phase, I guess. I've done everything to this car: rear end swap, transmission swap, engine swap, brand new engine for the car. It's been lowered in the front, jacked up in the rear, has big old fatties in the rear, and skinnies in the front. But today is the day that it's time to start a new beginning, and we're sadly going to be tearing apart my baby. I knew it would come eventually because I purchased another vehicle. You know, I can't have two. In a perfect world I'd be able to keep it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So it's time to move on to bigger things, but I wanted to make this video. I wanted to document this video for everybody that's out there that's helped me work on this car, talk to me about this car, ask me about this car. You know, I have so many people to thank for this car, you know, family, friends, literally everybody. But it's finally time, like I said, to start again. So here's the video. Thanks, guys. Okay, so say you have that last header bolt that you can't get. Mine is being this one right here. I have a set of long tubes, so they're all equal length too, so getting them, like getting a socket on them is a pain, especially since they're this style head, the hex style head. So you know, you can put this socket in here and try to get it with like a swivel. Or you can do something like, this is kind of why I like these, just because it's, well, I don't like them, but this is what you'll normally find at like O'Reilly's and stuff. But you take your socket and you put the correct ratchet on there, or wrench. I have a ratchet wrench, so I'm going to put it like over the socket like this. It's an 8mm. And then I put it into the actual bolt itself. I can just ratchet it right out. And most of the time you can't get them, the last one, by hand because all that pressure that's on the header itself, if it's still connected to the exhaust, like mine is. Okay everyone, so I know this video was a fast one, and I didn't want to make it too much because the car is not going to be really a part of the channel. As you can see, I'm like really filthy. I mean, this is actually pretty clean, but the engine is out, the car is ready to go to its new buyer, and everything like that. So here is the engine. So I don't have a plan for this engine right now. It's probably just gonna sit on a cradle, and I'll probably hold on to it until I find like a daily cruiser I kind of want to put it in. It probably needs honestly gone through. I went through it once. It doesn't have too many miles on it, but I drove it pretty hard. The transmission I plan on rebuilding for the new car, and you know, it'll be pretty exciting. I did keep a lot of my stuff, hood, engine, transmission, over here. Gotta keep my rims and tires off the car. So that's pretty sweet. As you can see, the car is over there, waiting till this coming weekend to come pick them up. But I definitely hope you guys enjoyed. It's, like I said, it's just a quick video, and I wanted to get the engine out in one day, so this is pretty much what it took. I hope this couple little pointers I put in the video help you guys out. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, do whatever you need to do, and I'll see you guys next time.